Have you ever paid $15 for a delivery fee on a $20 meal just because you didn't want to drive 5 minutes? Most people don't have a spending problem, they have a friction problem. We've been trained to believe that saving 5 minutes is worth losing $20. But if you do that every day, you are not just buying a meal, you're selling your future freedom. Today, I'll show you 4 radical ways to stop paying the lazy tax and start keeping your hard-earned cash where it belongs, with you. The trap, the lazy tax trap. Companies spend billions to make spending money frictionless. One-click buys, auto renewals, and delivery apps are all designed to bypass your money brain and hit your lazy brain. So every time you choose the easy way over the smart way, you are paying a tax. And let's be honest, that tax is what's keeping your bank account at zero. We don't need a complicated calculation to see that being a little less efficient today can make you a lot richer tomorrow. Now, the 4 new power tips to kill this trap. Here is the 4 new power tips to kill the trap. Tip number 1, the friction flip. Instead of making it easy to spend, make it hard. Remove your saved Visa card information from your phone or your apps. If you have to walk across the room and type in 16 digits every time you want to order food or buy a shirt, that convenience suddenly feels like a chore. Most of the time, you'll realize you didn't actually want that item. You just wanted the hit of dopamine. Tip number 2, the unit price audit. Next time you're at the store, stop looking at the price tag and start looking at the unit price. Pre-chopped onions can cost 400 times more than a whole onion. You're literally paying yourself $20 an hour to chop an onion for 2 minutes. Start doing the work yourself. Watch your grocery bill drop by half. Tip number 3, the subscription purge. We all have ghost expenses. Apps we sign up for to save time but never use. Go through your bank statement and look at anything that says autopay. Cancel everything. If you truly miss it in 30 days, you can buy it back, but you'll find that convenience was just a leak in your bucket. Tip number 4, the stockpile strategy. The biggest convenience trap happens when you are hungry and have no plan. Buy 5 emergency meals like pasta or frozen veggies that takes only 10 minutes to make. Keep them in the back of the pantry. When you're tired and tempted by the delivery app, tell yourself, I have a 10 minutes meal waiting for me. It is the easiest $30 you'll ever save. Now, here's the secret sauce. You cannot do this alone. I want you to invite 3 or 5 buddies to join you in this anti-convenience challenge. Send this video to them now. When you have a group chat where you celebrate not ordering out or chopping your own veggies, the savings become a game. This journey is so much easier to stay on when you are not doing it alone. Let's recap how we're killing the convenience trap today. Tip number 1, the friction flip. Delete all your saved Visa details to stop one-click spending. Tip number 2, the unit price audit. Stop paying the 400 times markup on pre-prepared food. Tip number 3, the subscription purge. Kill the ghost expenses that are leaking your cash. Tip number 4, the stockpile strategy. Use 10 minutes pantry meals to beat the delivery urge. Hey Savvy Savers, you show up for your freedom today, and I'm so proud of you. Here's a quick smile break for you. My budget and I meet weekly to discuss disappointment. It's a silly one, but it's true. Disappointment just means we're learning. Every time you choose effort effort over ease, you are building another millionaire muscle. Tap that red subscribe button so we can keep building your future together. And tell me in the comments below, what is the most expensive convenience you are cutting out this week? Breaking convenience trap is how you start keeping your money. But if you really want to know why most people work hard and still stay poor, you have to look at the invisible habits that are draining your bank account every single night. I've found 5 specific habits that keep people trapped in the cycle of struggle. And honestly, once you see them, you cannot unsee them. So go watch why these money habits keep you poor and what to do instead right now. And I'll see you over there.